I remember the first time I tried this, I was so excited because massage gun promised to boost recovery, reduce soreness, and even improve my performance. It felt like a game changer, but did it actually change my game? If you're new here, I'm Steven, a nutritionist from HKU and a current physio student. In this video, I'll explore the effectiveness, potential risks, and practical tips for using massage gun. And most importantly, I'll answer the big questions. Are they really worth your money? Actually, massage guns have 4 potential benefits, but do they really as good as they claim? Let's break down each one by one. First, studies have shown that massage gun can effectively reduce pain levels, and in some cases even better than massage. The pain relief effect is mainly caused by the vibrations. But why vibration can help reducing the pain? Think about it, the last time you hit your elbow hard, and what would you do? You will rub it instantly because you will feel less painful in your elbow. The same effect goes for the massage gun. When your elbow hits the wall, the force will activate our pain sensor, or we call nociceptors. Then the pain sensor will send a pain signal toward our brain and make us feel painful. But the vibration from massage gun will stimulate some non-painful sensor, we call it mechanoreceptors. Just like rubbing, the vibration will activate those non-painful sensor. Then those non-painful feeling would override the painful feeling. We call this gate control theory, like using some non-painful vibration to close the gate on painful signal. Finally, it reduces the pain our brain receives. Apart from pain relief, massage guns can also improve your flexibility, but only in short term. In the study, a quick 2-minute session can increase the ankle and hamstring range of motion, so it can be useful too for warm-ups or mobility work. However, we must know that not all muscles have the same effect. For example, in one study, there's no improvement in the rectus femoris, one of the major thigh muscles. So it seems that the effectiveness depends on what muscle you are using massage gun on. Then let's talk about recovery. Massage guns can be helpful after a tough workout because it can reduce the soreness and enhance some blood flow. So it seems it is essential too for athletes or anyone who trains really hard. But keep in mind that these benefits are mostly short-term because there isn't enough evidence to support long-term improvements in recovery over several days or weeks. Finally, massage guns are often marketed as a performance enhancer, something like it can help you to run faster or jump higher. But actually, there's not enough evidence to support those claims, or even worse, some studies suggest that massage gun would reduce your performance. So if you really want to improve your performance, you may need to avoid using massage gun just before the workout. Overall, the study shows that massage gun can be helpful for your short-term recovery and flexibility, but they do have some risks, and some of them can be fatal. One of the concerns is the potential for injury if you don't use it correctly. I've seen many people overusing the massage gun or applying too much pressure. Actually, it can lead to bruising or some deep muscle damage. In rare cases, this can even cause rhabdomyolysis. It means your muscle breaks down and then release some harmful proteins into a bloodstream. It can lead to kidney failure. Even if you use it gently, there are some areas you should avoid, like the neck, face, and region with major arteries or veins. One real case showing that a 27-year-old female who got diagnosis of vertebral artery dissection after using a massage gun. These are the symptoms she experienced, like severe neck pain, headache, and dizziness. If you experience those symptoms after using massage gun, please go to the hospital as soon as possible because this is a fatal condition that can cause stroke. Apart from those events, if you have chronic health conditions such as diabetes, kidney disease, or cardiovascular issues, you should consult a doctor before using a massage gun because it may be harmful for your condition. I didn't mean to scare you, but you really need to use it correctly. If you can use it correctly, massage gun can be really useful. The main principles of using massage gun is less is more. Let me show you some tips on how to use the massage gun correctly. First, aim for moderate pressure, around 4 to 5 out of 10 on pain scale, so you can feel the vibration without feeling sharp pain. Let the device do the work for you, don't overpressure it. Also, keep your session short. 2 to 3 minutes per muscle group is enough. Longer sessions can lead to overstimulation and fatigue. When adjusting the setting, ask yourself what is your goal in this session. If you are looking for recovery, use lower frequency, less than 40 Hz. So it would be around 2,400 percussions per minute for 2 to 5 minutes for one muscle group. If you are looking for improving flexibility, you can use higher than 40 Hz, but make sure you don't use it more than 2 minutes in one muscle group. I know there are many heads inside the box, so which one is better? Here's a general idea. Softer attachments are great for beginners and sensitive area like this, while more pointed heads should be used for experienced users to target specific points. Here is the most important tip. Avoid using massage gun right before exercises to prevent over-relaxing your muscles, and listen to your body. if you feel sharp pain, numbness, stop immediately. Massage guns are meant to help not hurt yourself. So the question, are massage guns worth your money? If you can find one at a reasonable price, it can be a useful tool, but don't expect it to replace consistent training, proper nutrition, or other recovery methods. You need to think of it as a supplement, not a solution. For example, many people want to lose fat and then decide to have a running session. In this situation, using the massage gun on your calf after running can be beneficial, but to be honest, if weight loss is your goal, I would not recommend running. I think walking might be a better option than running for most of us. I have a video compared walking and running for weight loss. Remember to check it out.